Ready to take your leg workouts to the next level? Walking lunges are a game changer for building strength, balance, and endurance. Learn 5 pro tips to perfect your form, target the right muscles, and maximize your results. Say goodbye to boring routines. Transform your legs with every step. Welcome to Muscle Hacks. Unlock your strength. Transform your body. Number 1. Perfect your step. Perfecting your step is fundamental for performing walking lunges with proper form and maximizing the benefits of the exercise. The first thing to keep in mind is the distance of your step. You should take a long enough stride to ensure that both knees form 90-degree angles when your back knee lowers toward the ground. However, avoid stepping too far forward, as this can lead to excessive forward lean or overextension, which may put strain on the knees. A controlled, moderate step allows you to maintain good alignment and proper knee tracking throughout the movement. As you step forward, ensure that your front foot lands flat on the ground with your heel making contact first. This ensures proper foot positioning, activating the correct muscles in your glutes and quads. In addition, each step should be deliberate and fluid. Rushing or hopping from one lunge to the next can throw off your balance and reduce the effectiveness of the exercise. Perfecting your step is all about finding the right balance between stride length and control, allowing you to work the muscles effectively while maintaining a stable base. Focus on consistency, and over time, your lunges will become more powerful and efficient. Number 2. Keep your core engaged. Engaging your core is key to performing walking lunges with proper form and preventing injury. The core muscles comprising the abdomen, lower back, and pelvis play a crucial role in stabilizing your body as you move. To engage your core effectively, pull your belly button toward your spine and tighten the muscles around your torso. This action stabilizes your pelvis and spine, preventing your lower back from arching excessively as you lower into each lunge. A strong, engaged core helps maintain balance, especially when stepping forward or back during the lunge motion. Without core engagement, you're more likely to lean too far forward or backward, leading to instability and the potential for strain. Additionally, keeping your core engaged helps to control your movements, allowing you to lower into the lunge with greater precision. As you progress with your lunges, your core engagement will allow you to perform the movement more efficiently, enabling you to work your lower body muscles more effectively and reduce the risk of injury. Engaging your core not only improves your form, but it also supports your overall strength development, making lunges a more productive part of your workout routine. Number 3. Maintain an upright torso. Maintaining an upright torso is essential for executing walking lunges correctly and avoiding unnecessary strain on your back. When lunging, your torso should remain as vertical as possible, with your shoulders back and chest lifted. This posture ensures that your weight stays evenly distributed over your hips and legs rather than shifting too far forward, which could lead to rounding your back or hyperextending your lower back. An upright torso also promotes better lunging mechanics, ensuring that your glutes, quads, and hamstrings do most of the work rather than relying on compensating muscle groups. To keep your torso upright, imagine pulling your shoulder blades back and down as though you're trying to puff your chest out. Keep your head neutral with your gaze straight ahead to help maintain balance. If you lean too far forward, the emphasis will shift to your knees, which could strain them. Maintaining an upright posture also ensures that your body stays in alignment, reducing the risk of injury while increasing the effectiveness of the exercise. By focusing on keeping your torso upright, you enhance the efficiency of the walking lunge, enabling better muscle activation in your legs and improving your overall form. Number 4. Focus on knee tracking. Knee tracking is crucial for performing walking lunges safely and effectively. Proper knee tracking ensures that your knees move in alignment with your toes, reducing the risk of injury and maximizing the activation of the correct muscle groups. When you step forward into the lunge, make sure that your front knee doesn't cave inward or splay outward. It should track directly over your ankle and point in the same direction as your toes. This helps to maintain proper alignment, particularly in the lower body, and reduces strain on your knee joint. To check your knee tracking, you can look down and ensure that your knee is aligned with your second toe during the movement. Additionally, avoid letting your knee travel too far beyond your toes, as this could increase the risk of unnecessary pressure on the joint. A slight forward motion of the knee is fine, but the key is to avoid excessive forward lean that can disrupt proper form. As you lower into the lunge, engage your glutes and quads to ensure that the knees stay stable and in alignment. By focusing on knee tracking, you promote better posture, reduce injury risk, and enhance the effectiveness of your walking lunges. Number 5, drive through your heel. Driving through your heel is an essential technique for maximizing the effectiveness of walking lunges and ensuring proper muscle activation. When performing a lunge, the primary focus should be on using the muscles in your legs and glutes to propel your body forward and back, rather than relying on momentum or pushing through your toes. To do this, focus on pressing through the heel of your front foot as you push your body back to the starting position. By driving through your heel, you activate your glutes and hamstrings more effectively, which helps target the posterior chain muscles that are crucial for overall leg strength and power. This technique also helps to maintain balance and control throughout the movement. If you push off your toes instead, you may shift the load to your calves and put unnecessary pressure on your knees. To ensure you're driving through your heel, check that your knee is aligned with your toes and not extending too far forward, which can cause strain on the joint. By incorporating this technique into your walking lunges, you'll engage the right muscle groups, improve your posture, and prevent knee discomfort, leading to stronger and more efficient lunges. Elevate your fitness game by mastering walking lunges with these 5 pro tips. Focus on form, stay consistent, and challenge yourself to push further every session. Stronger, leaner legs are just a few steps away. Commit to the process and watch your transformation unfold. Start lunging your way to success today. Thanks for watching Muscle Hacks. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on new muscle building strategies.